Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to today's Market and Holly update for Monday, April the 16th. Well, we had another one of those days. Let's take a quick look at what happened here. Our Qs have a doji candle. We've got the 50-day moving average as upper resistance here. So we are moving up, but we've got to break through this resistance now. So let's see what happens with that. You can see the intraday here on the 15-minute, how we were a little bit on the volatile side. The diamonds, once again, we tried to break through the top and then we pulled back. Here you can see the intraday chart, a little better contained and more systematic there. The Russell 2000 had a decent day. We are above the 50 and above the moving averages. We'll see if the small caps continue to lead the way for us. The spiders, another doji candle here. We've got this heavy line of resistance right through here. So, we're going to have a big test here to get through this 50. We may test it for a day or two, or we may, hit it again and outright reject it, or we may break through it. We're just going to have to wait and see how that all pans out. And the IBB pulled back fairly strongly today. You can see here the intraday here, we recovered a little bit and then started dropping down again. So it was one of those days for the biotechs. Gold, we had gapped up and then it came back down a little bit, but still closed higher for the day. And the bonds had a nice day. So that's what we look like for the market update. Now we'll go ahead and get a quick look at Holly. Risk off profit, she made $1.64. You can see here she had more trade strategies to choose from. So she obviously thought it was going to be a decent day, which it did turn out to be. Now the risk on, she lost 15 cents. But you can see here, even near the end of the day, she was doing much, much better. And then the risk on part went to the south. Let's look at the nifty little charts that I do for you. And I pulled the wrong charting down here. Give me 1 second. So here we go. Here we had 3 trades to the short side. And the risk on profit was 30 cents. Risk off, though, was a loss of 66 cents. We had 23 long trades for a profit of $1.35. Risk on profit 51 cents. So, we did good there. If we take a look at some of the trades on the risk on, this soda was the most profitable in the risk off category, and you can see here how the charting goes. Her buy signal right here on the blue line. The red here is the stop loss. The green up here is the target. Where the green changes shades is where she got out right at that time. So, once again, the charting tells the story for you. And you can see there the list of all the trades, and she got out for various reasons. We had the profit saved, the timed exits, a couple of stops hit even. On the short strategies, once again, just the 3. We had the GIII, was a profitable one on the short side for her. But the other 2, Bank of America and the MIK, the Michaels companies, did not do so good. Now let's take a look at what the trade of the week is this week. And they picked the exact same trade as last week, so it's a change start here for 4.9 and 4.16. Same entries, same targets, same stops. And once again, they picked that because of the volatility in the market. And if the general markets go short, this is the ultra short, so it kind of reacts in inverse, so it'll go up when the markets are pulling back. And the target is way up here, still at the 1182. So we have a ways to go to see if that one is going to target. GE from a couple weeks ago still has not hit that $14 target. And the ABX, which did trigger, pulled back a little bit today, but it is still within the zone where it is. Now, just to let you know, we still have the test drive. You can still sign up for that for another day or so here. You get 5 full days. So if you weren't able to get in like all the others were to start today, if you start tomorrow, then you'll get Monday of next week also. So it's a great thing to do. I do recommend that you go to our trading room. But I do recommend that you go to our trading room to find out about this software that we're using. Here's your code to get the test drive. So you can certainly sign up for that, and then go to this link right here, and this will get you. You'll put in your email, and you'll have to get a password to get in, but this will get you into the trading room. And I'll put this with the YouTube video so that you can copy and paste it. But this will get you into the trading room every day. And for this week, Barry is going to be going over the software and explaining how the scans work and how you use everything. So if you have some interest in this software, this is a great opportunity. You combine it with the $8.88 where you actually get to use it for 5 days. That is fantastic. Later in the week, I will be giving you a code where you can get the 30-day trial, and I'll give you a code where you can save 15% on that. So I want to thank you for spending your time with me today, and as always, would encourage you to follow our blog at bullseyetrader.com. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and on StockTwits. And make sure you hit this thumbs up button for me and like this video, and go ahead and share it if you have some friends that might enjoy this as well. So thank you, and God bless.